Ask me where I had lunch and I'll tell you. Kina Lola.
I went here one time, pero sarado sila. That's like a house that was turned into a restaurant. Ganda, very old. Ayan yun, which is sa may hotel. Started to rain. So, when it looks decent, good reviews. So we'll see. Okay. Meron kayong patis na may sili?
Meron po sir.
Ay, ito may sili na to. That's good.
May
Okay na to. Sili. Yung ano na lang, patis na lang. Thank you, ah. Nice presentation. Looks good. Look at that. Wonder how many minutes. It's good. Sarap. Ayan, kompleto na. Bili natin dami siyang gulay, may okra pa, may radic, sitang talong. Ang sarap lang ng sili, patis, tababa. Sarap. Sarap niya. Buti na lang umulan. Kung hindi, pupunta pa ako sa Alabang Town Center. Yummy. Tama. Umulan. Mainit na sabaw. Tumupuso pa. Pork yan. Tama lang, hindi siya yung malambot na malambot. Ganito yung pork na gusto ko. Yung nakakagat ba? Diba? Sarap. So yung meat niya yun. Besides doon sa kinain ko na. Okay. Okay lang naman. For solo, right? Tsaka marami isang gulay. Ayan, bukod doon sa kinain ko na, meron pa siyang dalawang na bite size. That's good. Yes. Sarap. Kahit yung veg crispy pa rin siya. Except for talong. Pero kahit na yung okra, okay din yung okra. Ano pa rin siya, hindi siya talagang nalulusaw sa lambot. It's really good. I'm satisfied. Nice thing about it, marami siya fan. Tsaka yun. We don't even have to open that, turn around. Kasi nakukuha naman yung isang fan. And hindi na ganun maganda yung location niya. Nasa dead end. Ayan o. And then there's ample parking. And kaya that's good. It's a good place. And the food is delicious and it's affordable. Service is also good.